I still don't know that that's a human noise, so I'm kind of like looking in the lights as like, is it a cat? Is it a... What noise? I've never heard it from human. No, it's drunk white girl. I know it. I'm so happy to be here in Milwaukee. This is what I like to consider America's greatest city that everybody forgets is nice. That's why, that's my vibe on Milwaukee. Right? It's a wonderful city and nobody remembers. Nobody, every time I get here, I feel like the catchphrase for Milwaukee should be like, Milwaukee, oh yeah. You know? Nicer than I remember. It is. I don't know why. I don't know what happens. I don't know if it's your location, but Milwaukee is the great forgotten. You know how many times I forgot the Brewers were in the playoffs this year? I'm not proud of that. I'm not proud. Don't you turn on me, all right? Half of you didn't know until I said it right now, right now. Wisconsin is one of my very favorite states for a couple reasons. One, you guys are drunks, but you're very friendly drunks, and I like that. So when you heckle, it's very positive. No, I've never gotten a mean heckle in Wisconsin. You guys can be just like plastered, blackout drunk, and you're like, keep going, buddy, you know? Oh, believe in your dreams. That's really cool what you're doing. I don't know where I am, but I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I also like it because you have a similarity with my home state of Washington. So I'm originally from Washington, and you have a similar thing where a lot of your city names are Native American city names, which means when your friends from other places can't say those names, you can make them feel dumb and or racist. And that is a real gift, a real opportunity that not all the states get. It's Waukesha. Read a book, all right? Last time I was here, I was in Madison, and that's not true. Two weeks ago, I was in Milwaukee, and boo, don't do that. I don't. You think I care? I just named a place and you booed it. That's so funny when people do that. You're like, I got no stake. I'm not the mayor of that city. I'm not. As if I created Madison. I'm not proud of your work. You did a bad job there. I'm just saying a place that I was, you know. That's gotta stop. Whatever that was, whatever that noise was, which didn't sound human, that sounded like a toy dying. Right? Whatever this is, that has to stop. That is not, don't repeat it. Oh, you're getting the lecture from the guy at your table. All right, that's, whatever, can we be, do you want one more? I'll give you one more. I'll give you one more and then no more aboos. Oh, you got in trouble. Ooh, you got in trouble. This is what I get for saying all of you guys are nice. No more aboos. I don't know what happened to you in Madison one night, but I'm sorry to bring up that trauma. Something triggered right there. We're good. I still don't know that that's a human noise, so I'm kind of like looking in the lights as like, is it a cat? Is it a... What noise? I've never heard it from human. No, it's drunk white girl. I know it. We all know drunk white girl, you know? Anyways. I heard it again. It sounds like Fran Drescher. Are you at the show? I didn't know she hailed from Milwaukee. The nanny is here. Dude, my fan base is getting a little more bougie. I like it. All right. Yeah, no. It's like a little, it's like a weird mix of like a BMX bike and Aziz Ansari. I don't know. Hey, she's redlining. All right, downshift. No, I'm talking to you, buddy, the guy who was meowing at me earlier. The girl was meowing. Everything good there? Cool, man. I'm glad you guys made it. You know? Genuinely, I don't have enough fans to make one of them mad at me. I don't. You know, I'm like, if they meow at me, that's fine. You know, just, if you could limit the meowing, that would be ideal. You know? Did she go somewhere else? Did you? I just heard the same noise somewhere else. Like she's a Roomba. She's just... It sounds like a car driving away from me. I actually bring her to every show. She's part of the show.